Crystal?
Yes? What is it, Talon?
I want to give you something to symbolize our friendship.
Oh, okay. I'll be right here waiting. Even though it is Valentine's Day, I'm not really expecting anything big.
Here you go. Whoa!
Is that
Yeah, it's a chocolate. It's, a toffee square.
Oh, I actually like toffee.
I know. So, what do you think? Do you like it?
Do I like it? Talon, I love it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you, too. Oh, I wonder where Chip is. He said he'd be here. I'm coming, Penny. I gotta push this.
Oh. Oh. Happy Valentine's Day, Penny. I brought you something.
Is that a chocolate piece?
Yeah, chocolate truffle.
How did you know I love chocolate truffle?
I just know how much you love it, and, well, I figured this would be the perfect Valentine's Day gift for you.
Oh, thank you, Chip. I love it. Mwah. Happy Valentine's Day, Chip.
Happy Valentine's Day, Penny. Oh, wow. Oh, gee, I wonder where Amber is. She said she'd be here, and here I am. Happy Valentine's Day, Hatch. Is that chocolate?
Of course.
You always have to have chocolate during Valentine's Day. Oh, thanks, Amber. What flavor is it? Peanut butter cream. Ooh, I actually like peanut butter. Scratch that. I actually love peanut butter.
Me too.
Wow. Happy Valentine's Day, Hatch. Happy Valentine's Day, Amber. I wonder where Zach is. He said he'd meet me here. Here I am. Oh, whoa, what's that? It's a chocolate candy for Valentine's Day. You don't mind, do you?
Oh, no, I don't.
In fact, I like it. It's for both of us. You know, to share.
That's cool.
What flavor? Butter caramel.
Ooh,
That's nice. That way it's not too thick. I don't like candies that are too thick. I know, which is why I made sure to get you butter caramel.
oh, thank you, Zach.
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you too, Sky. Winter? Yeah? I'm about to do something that is totally out of character for me, but seeing how it's Valentine's Day, want to give you something.
Oh, really? What is it?
Be right back. There you go. It's a Valentine's chocolate just for you. Or at least for us to share. Oh, whoa, really? Yeah. What flavor? Coconut cream. To symbolize our friendship. Huh. how'd you know I like coconut? Lucky guess, I guess. Happy Valentine's Day, Winter. Happy Valentine's Day, Fly. This is kind of out of character for him, but I kind of like it. Wait, did I say that out loud? Happy Valentine's Day, Fuchsia. Happy Valentine's Day to you too, Indigo. I have a thing for you. Oh, you do? Yeah. Be right back. Oh, I wonder what it could be. Okay, there it is. Oh! It's a Valentine's Day chocolate for the two of us to share. Thank you, Indigo. What flavor? Chocolate buttercream? Oh, that sounds yummy. Yeah. Again, happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you too, Indigo. I wonder where Leonard is. I haven't seen him all morning. Hey there. Hey there, sugar. Leonard? Oh, is that for me? Yeah. This is my Valentine's Day gift to you. Took everything in me not to eat it myself. Oh, thank you, honey. What flavor is it? Peanut cluster, just the way you like it. Oh, thank you, Leonard. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you too, sweetums. Oh, Valentine's Day. A time for love, compassion, and chocolate. Oh, Mom. Is that for me? Yeah. I figured you needed one, since it is Valentine's Day after all. Do you like it? Do I like it? Mom, I love it. What flavor is it? I think it's orange cream. Ooh, my favorite. How did you know? Lucky guess, maybe? Happy Valentine's Day, Purdy. Happy Valentine's Day, Bomb. Oh, I wonder where Terrence is. He should know not to leave me alone on Valentine's Day. Oh, Terrence, there you are. What's this? Ooh, a chocolate? What kind? Caramel. Oh, thank you, Terrence. I love you too. Valentine's Day. If only I had a Valentine. You do now, huh? Happy Valentine's Day, Red. Thanks, Silver. What's this? It's a chocolate, silly. Oh, what kind? Fruit and nut caramel. Oh, wow. I do like fruit from time to time. Yeah, I kind of like nuts myself. Oh, well, gee. Thanks. You're welcome. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. May your day be full of love and joy.